Hey guys, I promise in a couple weeks it's gonna be such a nice, interesting videos. Why? Because I got an invitation for Mikun Auto Auction in Monterey Car Week. So I'm gonna be the VIP person. Hey, that's super nice. So usually that Mikun Auto Auction they selling only, not usually, always they selling kind of super exclusive, um, super expensive cars, the old ones, celebrity cars, and especially on the Monterey Car Week, that's most of the rich people going there to buy some nice units. I'm not that super rich yet, but who knows? I mean, if there is any cool cheap unit I can buy and flip it later, or maybe can keep it for a couple of years and sell it for more with profit, I would buy it. You never know. Even the Barrett Jackson action that they still same. You might think, it's only expensive cars sell on there. You have no. Sometimes there is like unique, or I don't know, super weird cars for 5,000, 7,000. That's what's Mikun Mai gonna do. I don't think so. But anyway, so if you never see that Mikun Auto Auction, I'm gonna attach the link below. Those guys amazing, and thank you so much for inviting me on this such great auction. And it's gonna be, I mean, the first time for me it's gonna be that experience of auction where only super expensive cars gonna be for sale, and I'm gonna see the other dealers, I'm gonna see the maybe celebrities and maybe some exclusive cars. So what's going on right now? It's August 2024. I'm super busy, to be honest with you guys, and I do have a lot of sources of selling and buying cars, wholesale, retail, all of it same time. So what's going on? I just keep buying multiply different cars, and I'm not focusing on any I'm just focusing on the profit, money. That's all we need, money and satisfaction. So basically when your customer is satisfied and he wants to bring his friends, or you doing wholesale and the people wanna kind of buy more from you, they want to keep working with you, so you have to focus on that and keep going and making money. So right now I'm driving 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan, 80,000 miles. I love those cars. I mean, not just like it, I love those cars. Number one, they are cheaper than any comparable Sienna or Odyssey, Honda Odyssey. I have no idea why those cars are such expensive. But this car, it's so nice. It has all the options. It is comfortable. And the best point about Grand Caravan, that's a flex fuel. So basically you can put E85 gas on it and the car is gonna go. So that is good. And what else? But the negative point about these cars, that's the ticking noise. So ticking noise, lifter noise, misfire on some cylinders. So especially this particular car got misfire cylinder 3, and the battery was dead. So yesterday I replaced the battery for the used one, of course, and I'm driving it since yesterday to see if the battery is going to be alive and the car is good. Right now there is no coats, and right now it's ready for smoke, so I'm gonna go right now do the smoke check for this car, and probably after that it's gonna go to the shop where they're gonna find out why it's still ticking. And if it's a lifters, as usual, there is a rollers and lifters. That's what's the common problem. And if the camshaft gonna go bad, if it's bad right now, so it's gonna be replaced also. But it's a nice cars. I mean, honestly, I love it. They are for sale about 10,000. You can buy those at the auction, I would say between 5,000 as is and 8,000, green light guarantee all the way. So you basically have to do nothing. And how much dealers making on those cars? Usually it's between 1,500 and 2,000 max on the car itself, but the options what they offer in this car, for example, the extended warranty, for example, they raise an APR a little bit, and so 300 here, 500 here, but maybe 1,000 extra on the deal they can make it if it's a finance But when they selling 10 cars like that and they doing 1500 on each car and 1000 on a deal, so you can multiply that. So let's go for the smoke check right now and see what's gonna happen if I'll pass it or not. The day is gonna be interesting, to be honest with you. I'm waiting a lot of cars I bought, and so Dodge right now didn't pass the smoke check because I have one monitor not ready. So the California, it's super strict about that. If you have any pending codes, any permanent codes, or check engine light on, or something not ready, any of the monitors not ready, so you're not gonna pass the smoke check. And what I'm doing, since I'm a dealer and I'm doing the good way, so I have to smoke it, I have to drive it, I have to make sure there is no codes, no problem. So after that, I can sell it, I can retail it, wholesale it, doesn't matter. I know nobody gonna call me and say, hey, you did that, but something else came up and you didn't do it right. So that's why basically I'm driving it till everything is ready and no codes appears on an OBD. So now I'm in a 2016 Tundra, and it's kind of work truck, so it's a basic edition SR5. And what I'm doing, this car came all the way from Nevada, Las Vegas, and it's been done. So we got detail, we got the smoke check, and even though this car got brand new AC compressor because the original one just went bad for some reason and it was shorting out, so the fuse has been blowing. Yesterday we got replacement, and the car is great. I mean, honestly, Toyotas, they've been doing it so good. The one I reviewed before, the black one 4x4 with high mileage, that truck amazing. But this one, work truck, 154,900 on the clock. This truck drives like new. I mean, except maybe AC went bad. But again, it's Las Vegas. There is a totally different weather, and AC is supposed to run 24/7. So that's how you're gonna cool down yourself. And what I'm doing right now, I'm gonna do the scale. So basically, every time when the truck coming from out of state to California, you have to do the scale for DMV. Why you have to do the scale? Because they going by size and the weight of the truck. That's maybe ridiculous, maybe it's unacceptable, I have no idea, but that's the rule. It's been always there. And right now I'm going on a scale, it's called CAT. I have to pay, I believe, used to be 7, and after 12, right now it's about 15 or 17 bucks to do that. So I'm gonna get the certificate, and when I'm gonna sell this truck, not even me, because I'm not doing honestly retail, so my guy is doing it. So we're gonna put it for sale, and as soon as the truck gonna be sold, we have to give that certificate to DMV, and DMV have to check it, and according on that certificate, they gonna charge registration every year, registration for the new owner. That's what they doing. So basically, whatever truck sold in California, they not required to do that. But as soon as you're gonna get something from out of state with different title, they want to do that. They want to charge more money because it's kind of commercial transportation, so they want more money for that. The truck is amazing. Look at this. Look at the odometer right now, 154,949, and it drives so good. That's the work truck. So I don't have a shifter in the middle, I have it right there. So Toyota, they've been doing great stuff. I don't know why they went all the way with those turbos and hybrids, but these trucks, it's just amazing. Those are gonna hold for like 500,000 at least $500,000 if you're gonna do maintenance properly on time. At least if it's not on time, you just have to pay attention and change some parts, maybe, you know, to keep this truck alive. Otherwise, you can drive it. You can drive it till the end, till the engine gonna start knocking. So you might gonna do like, I don't know, 40,000-50,000 without oil change. And it might be ridiculous, but sometimes I do see the cars with low mileage and it looks like they not they were not doing oil change at all. So I don't understand those people. Maybe it was a lease car, maybe they didn't care, all that kind of stuff. But sometimes it goes ridiculous. So truck, Tundra, let's keep going. I'm gonna show you my whole day. So what I'm doing every day, I'm just running around, I'm just trying to make the cars ready. Same time I'm going online, I'm constantly buying it, so it's like everyday job. And to be successful in this business, I mean, what kind of successfulness could be in a used car dealership? Do you know what? Everybody supposed to decide for themselves what is your success. For example, my success, it's not to buy like 300 cars, you know, and sell them all. No, my success, maybe I'm gonna buy 10 cars a week. I'm gonna sell 10 cars or 5, 7, 8 cars a week. I'm gonna sell them, and each of those cars gonna be sold with confidence. So the customer either gonna call me and say, yeah, this car was so good, I need to buy the other one and I wanna buy it from you. That's number one. And number two success for me, when I'm selling the car, for example, wholesale, if I'm selling it at the auction and I know this car is good. So every auction, when I'm selling the guarantee, what they doing, they put in the car on PSI, post-sale inspection. And they have multiple points how they gonna do the PSI, post-sale inspection. So when my car is passing all that inspection, PSI, and the auction call me, hey, this car passed PSI, you all good, just bring the title, we're gonna cut you the check. That's what's happened like a couple weeks ago. I sold some Porsches, I sold some other cars, and it passed PSI. That's it. I'm happy, to be honest with you. So I did the job, and whatever they're gonna do later on, like retail it, it's on them. But I did the job, and I'm successful in that. If I'm doing wholesale to the friends or to the dealerships I know, and they buying it and they want to buy more, I want to make sure the car is not gonna break down until they sell it. Even though if they selling it, I'm still gonna cover maybe some expenses if it's something simple or stupid or something else, or maybe I didn't pay attention on that and the problem came back or came on. So basically I'm gonna cover that for sure. Because again, I cannot drive the cars every day, whatever I'm buying, because I'm buying a lot. So I cannot just take it and drive it 1, 2, 3, 5 days, see how the transmission gonna feel after it's warmed up or after 200,000 miles non-stop driving. I just simply cannot do that, and nobody doing that. That's why you have extended warranty and all kind of stuff. So for me, success, when I'm selling the product to consumer, it doesn't matter it's a wholesale or retail, and I'm not getting negative feedback, you know? Or if I'm getting something negative, I'm gonna handle it, I'm gonna take care of that, and the customer is gonna be ready. That's my success. Again, every dealer is different. Somebody's saying, you know, I'm selling 50, 60 cars a month, I'm making a lot of money, especially on the back, so I'm raising the APR, I'm selling the warranty, I'm selling some unnecessary stuff. So basically I'm fucking up the people, the customers, and I'm happy for that. So it's not my way, it's not the way I'm doing it. And to be honest with you, like couple weeks back, I'm feeling so happy for what I'm doing, and I'm feeling so happy for what I'm sharing with you guys, like the reviews or my experience about the used car dealership or about what I'm doing right now. That just makes me so happy. Thank you for that. Let's keep going. That's the way scale looks. And basically why they doing a scale, they doing a scale for the big trucks in case they're gonna get pulled over on the freeway. So and CHP can see that's the scale right here, right? So the CHP can see if the truck's going on the freeway not overloaded. So what I have to do, I have to come by here, I have to push this button and call the guy who's doing scale check, I mean wave check. Yes.
Got it, pick it up.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So about 5 seconds the guy is checking it. I have to get off the car, and after that he's asking if it's for CHP, for example, or if that for DMV. So I'm saying it is for DMV, and now I have to pull the truck out from the scale. I have to actually get some gas on that, and I'm going inside the office taking the VIN number, and he's gonna write it down. He's gonna put the VIN number on that certificate, and I'll be good. So that's basically all the paperwork you need for the truck to put it for sale. Besides your smoke check, you need a wave certificate, and that's it. So let's go get certificate, let's put some gas on that, and we're gonna keep going on what we're doing today. So meantime, besides all the stuff I have to do, what I got right now, call from one of my renter. Yeah, I'm doing rental also. So he's saying one of my Prius C got fuel cap stolen, or somebody forgot that at the fuel station, gas station. So basically what I have to do right now, I have to go to that car, I have to install gas cap, and scanner gonna help me to reset check engine light for that. That's crazy. So that's my certificate cat. Yeah, so that's a VIN number, and what they checking weight, like I say, weight number, what is it, what I got, it's 5,000 pounds. So, and it's $27 right now. I mean, like I say, it used to be 7, and after 12 and after 15, right now they charging $27 for that simple stuff. So I just put 20 bucks on gas. That's not even half, just just a little bit gas is gonna be enough for now. So economy, but people need to make money. They have to, and since it's all private, it's not government scale. Maybe somewhere you can find the government scale for less, for cheap, but that's only place I know. So for the dealer, you have to spend a lot of money for the truck, for the car, you know, to make it ready, to do the detail, maybe some paint work, maybe some engine work, transmission, and all that kind of stuff. If you are the good dealer, if you are the selling the cars like the way it's supposed to be. But again, if you buy the car on the street, or you buy the car somewhere else, you know, from the people you know, who's gonna give you the warranty? I mean, that's what people asking when they come in and buy a used car. Doesn't matter, it's a truck, Toyota or Mercedes, and if it's a high mileage car, they're asking, do you have a warranty? I'm like, if I'm selling the car, I'm always saying, you know, just go simple way. If the factory, those guys who produce and who's engineering those new Mercedes, BMW, any car, they saying we can give you 40,000, 50,000 powertrain warranty. That's it. And after that, you buy yourself. So now, after like 5 owners, you buy the used BMW with 100,000 miles on it. Like, for sure, you have to take care of that yourself. But you have a choice to buy extended warranty for some money, and it might gonna help. That's it.